Hey there, culinary adventurers. Welcome back to Blogging Good Food, your one stop destination for delectable recipes and culinary inspiration. Today, we have got a treat in store for you, delicious and easy dessert recipes that are both healthy and irresistible. Let's start with the basics of crafting mouth-watering desserts that everyone will love. First up, we are exploring healthy dessert swaps. Discover how to satisfy your sweet tooth guilt-free. Short on time, don't worry. We have got quick and easy dessert recipes that will save the day. When the heat of summer rolls in, no-bake desserts are the way to go. Stay cool and satisfy your cravings. Dive into the world of no-bake cheesecakes, creamy, dreamy, and hassle-free. The icebox cake, your summer savior, layers of deliciousness without turning on the oven. Need to satisfy a crowd? These dessert recipes are perfect for family dinners and gatherings. Chocolate and peanut butter fans, get ready to indulge. These desserts will make your taste buds tense. Don't forget about Thanksgiving. Discover dessert idea that will be the perfect ending to your holiday feast. Now let's dive into a category that's sure to put smiles on everyone's faces. Kid-friendly desserts that the whole family will adore. Encourage your little ones to eat their fruits with these fun and creative dessert ideas that are as delightful to make as they are to eat. Get your kids involved in the kitchen with cookie decorating. Watch their eyes light up as they turn plain cookies into edible masterpieces. For those who love the art of baking, we have got a special category dedicated to classic baked desserts that are sure to impress. Chocolate lovers rejoice. Explore a world of decadent chocolate desserts that will satisfy even the most intense cocoa cravings. Elevate your baking skills with classic cake creations that are perfect for any celebrations or simply indulging your sweet tooth. There you have it, a delightful journey through our easy dessert recipes collection. For more sweet inspiration, visit Blogging Good Food at blogginggoodfood.com. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more scrumptious content. Thank you.